Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome to my kitchen. Jason here. Today I'm going to show you how to make fried potatoes and onions in my cast iron skillet. So let's check it out. Okay, we're going to use 5 russet potatoes and we have 1 large onion, and I'm going to peel and just do a rough chop on both the potatoes and the onion. To get a head start on the potatoes, I'm going to microwave them for 5 minutes. That'll cut down on the frying time and it's not going to affect the taste in any bad way. Okay, we have my cast iron pan on medium heat. I have some grapeseed oil and should be good to go. Kind of wish I had a little bigger pan, but we're going to make this work. So I'm going to put in the potatoes that just came out of the microwave. We're going to season those up with salt and pepper and some garlic powder. We're going to cover those up and we'll check on those in the next 5 minutes. Okay, we're going to go ahead and give this a stir. It's starting to brown up one of the sides, so we'll give it a mix. Okay, I'm going to give it another mix, add some more seasoning, then I'm going to add my onions in now. Okay, that's been about 15 minutes total. I'm going to take the cover off, give it a final mix, and we'll take a close look at it. Looks delicious.